My name is Li Kuizhi from Taiwan. The water image I use in my work many times because I think the water is a very important element of this work. Also, the weather is very important because the weather can adjust the weather. 2 years ago, I made another work in front of this work, and now this year I made this work here, also in front of my previous work. Also, is the water image to make this work as a guardian here. Protect this wetland. This place is quite new, but I can see many birds is already adapted this environment. That's why I'm so impressive. Also, you can see people take up the plants, the water system, and also even the animals and the birds. Even I see the deer here. My main point of my artwork is talking about the water. I love to. It looks like I built a bridge to connect the human and the nature. I hope the people can close to the nature more and care about the environmental issue more.
My name is Wisnu Achitama. I come from Indonesia. I was born in Kediri, East Java, and this work, the title is Do We Play in the Same Playground? And question mark. The nature for me is like toys puzzle, and the form of my artwork is like puzzle for kids playing on, because the puzzle we can make some form like some kid. The artwork is like some kid for we can scream about the freedom in the nature. Point of my artwork is the question mark. The question about do we play in the same playground, and question mark for other people, other country, other culture, because in my culture or my country also different culture in the other country.
I am from Mongolia. My name is Tavuktur Dörtsuren. I'm a wood carver. This time I'm working with big logs. It's my work for children. Yeah, and children, I want to introducing them some nature or animals, and people like the animals figure, and this was for children's. I usually work with the logs, and first I see the logs and with how it's looking, which animal is coming, and I working this.
Hello, my name is Tim Norris. I am an artist from Great Britain, and I make sculpture for natural spaces, and I like to use natural materials from as close to the area my sculpture will be located in. So here I am and this is my sculpture in progress. So when I began to think about the project for Uppo Nature Park, I thought about what nature meant to me and what kind of materials I might expect to find here. I had heard that bamboo would be available, and I have a good working knowledge of steel construction, so those are the two materials I've chosen to work with, the steel for its structural strength and the bamboo for its natural beauty and flexibility to create a dynamic form. I was interested in the idea when a plant is about to burst and open up, that moment of life and power. So I've called the work Bud Burst, Caught in Motion, that moment when a flower opens.
My name is Roger Regord, and I'm coming from Germany. The last 20 years I'm working on the field of land art. And as I love the natural environments and the nature, and to work specifically in landscapes, I was very happy to work here. By bird life, by animal life. So the wetlands are mostly the most natural environments. So I'm very happy to connect my work here at Uppo Wetlands. As the title of this piece is The Colony of Thoughts, and you may realize it's a ball shape, almost a nest, a container, a shell with an opening. So we have 3 of them, which is a colony of these containers. And in my imagination there is not a bird living in them or a creature. It's ourselves, our thoughts living in them. I think everything starts with a thought, with an idea. So as part of the solution of our problems is to change our life, our lifestyle, our way, how we are thinking and what we are aiming for, I think everything starts with a thought. So I was trying to build a home for these gentle thoughts.